Zedrix Saavedra of Far East.
Play had earlier.
Whoa!
You get the set point.
Ang lakas ng tira ni
Kyle again with a back set right there.
I thought that ni Saavedra
Hindi man ganun kasolid. Jiangnan hot pot attack. Hot pot ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. We're here for UST. And again, FEU ganat. Nice combination play right there for UST, pero better.
You know, si Drix, maasahan mo siya sa offense, pero maasahan mo rin siya sa defense. That was a single block, and that's like that. Pero pumunta sila kay Saavedra, okay din naman. Puntos din.
Noche, and again. Oh, ito, mas wow. For Drix Saavedra.
Pero sanay yung volleyball player dyan
Oo naman.
Nicely done by Drix.
Everything has to go to a complete halt in a way. Samantala, ito naman. Drix Saavedra with his first point here.
FEU men's volleyball team pa ako. Siguro mga third year siya that time.
Drix ulit. Nahuhuli si Drix. Pero lumutang lang palayo.
Ng NU, nabantayan rin yung sa Saavedra.
That's correct.
Pero etong bituin, ang nagpapakita ng time ko, ang porsyentong atake nila talaga, mas marami talagang atake sa gitna. Ikaw ba naman ang attacker?
Pag dumating man yung coverage, pag naging consistent yung mga coverage na yun, coupled with this. Almost! No! Nakapuntos pa si Drix sa atake.
Alam mo, credit, test of character.
You saw the 6 on the floor. Set number 4, Jay De La Cruz, JB. Ayun, siniguro. Kaya lang, ang layo ng pinunta ng first ball. Nagawan pa ng paraan. Drix Saavedra will get.
Kahit nakuhaan sila ng third set, na dapat sa kanila na, yung composure nila hindi nawala.
Dito sa isang set. Pagdating ng second set, tabla-tabla ulit na lahat. Fresh start. Yung mga ganyang klaseng atake, tulad itong ginawa ni Drix Saavedra, you would want to carry those kind of plays. Andyan Aatake pang FEU. Saavedra, rejected by Abanilla, but the play goes on. Saavedra finally getting the point.
Piyansa na kanyang setter. That's a good put away by Saavedra.
Magkasabay-sabay yung mga attackers. Magkasabay-sabay din yung ganda ng depensa. Ayun, tulad nun. Kasi kung parang dinideklara niyang set niya to
Saavedra, puro halos sa kanya yung puntos. Nanggagaling.
Went to a met between all the while Drix Saavedra was all along the other side. Naka-ace pa siya. Atake ng FEU. Saavedra!
Ganda ng nilalaro nito. 0 yung score. Pero sa nilalaro nitong si Saavedra, Jay.
Guerrero, the team captain of LaSalle. Sherlock Talisayan sa likuran. Lusot itong cross-court.
Saavedra, ang lupit nung binitawan na yan dyan sa opposite. Sabi mo, bubuhati niya sa shoulder niya. Lapad! Kita mo na. Black point.
Area. Benny Martinez with that set to Drix Saavedra. One. Hernandez denied.
One-on-one against Hernandez. Great timing. Ganda ng pagkakapayong.
Timeout LaSalle. Serve right there, pero reception then. Shotalisayan had to go the extra mile. What want to happen for them is to up their emotions and their momentum, but it's going to be kanina. At kung kailangang magingay, willing and able, ito si Drix Saavedra for FEU. Drix Saavedra.
At tumahabol na.
Jiangnan attack of the set. Hatmat ba? Attack na sa Jiangnan. And this is like showing to everybody why they were #1 at the end of the preliminaries. You don't stop playing until the game is over. Yun lang yun eh.
And good response by
keeping their chances alive here in game 1, but Drix Saavedra and the much needed points as usual delivered by this guy. And now he's serving. Drix Saavedra.
Gay todo talaga eh.
Oh, what a dig right there by Benny Martinez. Oh, and then that attack. Layog serves it well. Benny Martinez trying to go for a quick one for Dongala. It was blocked. And Drix Saavedra. Ako na nga lang.
Usually, unahan di ba? Kung sinong tutungtong sa 20th point first.
Ceballos with that dig.
Good coverage.
Saavedra was blocked. He goes for that attack once again. So magniningning siya rito sa game 2.
Oo nga.
Drix Saavedra, one dig right there for De La Salle. He's going to try again. Hindi ka man.
Bigyan nyo ng easy ball ang FEU because they have so many people to go to for an attack.
Key players ng FEU. Drix Saavedra. Drix Saavedra once again. Rui Ventura up. Easy over for De La Salle. Martinez to Saavedra.
Wow. Wow.
See here, Rui Ventura. Martinez, Saavedra!
Pero sobrang lakas lang talaga ng palo niya eh. Hindi ma-stop ni Guerrero.
Silang ang serye natin. Pero amit between, look at this. The push. Ceballos was there for FEU. Drix. Good service by Campton. Drix Saavedra. 18 serving, 22. Drix Saavedra finding a way. Binabanggit ni Cheeky for some of the young players. Ito si Drix Saavedra. You can also
being used
right
as the primary hitter again for LaSalle.
Drix Saavedra making his presence felt. Campton has developed his jump serve over the years. Martinez, back set again, Saavedra. Pagdating sa porsentuhan, walang... Magalaman is in front now. Saavedra has got 3 for 3. Ana's on a roll right now. Back set, Drix, 5 for 5. Ipad galing sa likod. He's also a lefty. Speaking of lefties, how about 6 for 6 on offense? Yung arch nemesis niya dati, Charo Soriano. That's really going back in time.
Naku, 10 years yun.
Yeah. Hernandez still cannot score. Saavedra, 7 for 7. Are you kidding me? Benny, back set, 8 out of 9.
Parang ano, si Drix, dapat nickname niya Midas.
Bakit? Saavedra gets it through. 25 to 22. 9 out of 10 on attacks for the opposite hitter for the MVP. Dito, kanino kaya mapupunta ang gintong medalya? Drix Saavedra is 10 for 12. And again. At the heart goes to Ventura this time. Better net defense now by FEU. Rui. Over the defense, kept alive by Absin. Back set, Saavedra. Kept alive. Not for long. Drix Saavedra is 13. Martinez goes to the back. Saavedra, yes! Back set. Ay, nataplisansi at the heart.
Tinang volleyball players na Filipino in America.
That's right. Saavedra continues to be the #1 option. Over receive, but Ventura could not put it away. Saavedra again! Campton would serve. Martinez back set. Saavedra finds the line.